ready to unlock the power of seamless workflows and automated customer communication. Let's dive into setting up Aisensy API Automation to revolutionize your business. First, head to your Aisensy dashboard and navigate to the API section. You'll usually find this under Settings or Integrations. Depending on your dashboard layout, keep an eye out for API keys or API access. Generate a new API key. This key is your unique identifier, so treat it like a password. Give it a descriptive name to remember its purpose, such as CRM integration or marketing automation. Now, let's connect Aisensy to your favorite tools. Whether it's your CRM, e-commerce platform, or marketing automation system, Aisensy API allows seamless data transfer. Configure your chosen tool to use the Aisensy API Endpoint. The exact steps vary depending on the platform, but you'll generally need to input the API Endpoint URL provided by Aisensy. Paste the generated API key into the appropriate field in your chosen tool. This authorizes the connection, allowing data to flow between your systems. Explore the various automation possibilities. Send personalized messages based on customer behavior, automatically update contact details in your CRM, or trigger events based on purchase history. Test your integration thoroughly. Make sure data flows correctly and triggers the expected actions. Aisensy often provides testing tools or debugging logs to help you troubleshoot. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Aisensy API Automation. Now you can enjoy streamlined workflows, enhance customer communication, and optimize business processes. Experiment, refine, and unlock the full potential of seamless API integration.